Hello everyone, now you are watching Hello Chinese video course Ask Me, I'm Vera. So today we are going to talk about a little bit confusing word, 道 and 了. So before we start to talk these two, one thing we need to know is there is a special kind of word in Chinese, we call it as complement. So what is complement? The complement is usually a word that used after a verb to explain the consequence of the verb. So you do something and there is a consequence. How can we express this consequence? We use the complement. And different complements have different usages or meanings. So 道 is one of them. So when we use a 道 after a verb, usually it means that you do something and then the action is successfully completed. So you get a result from this action. So you do something, you get something. And in this sentence, the key point is something. It's not the action itself, but what you get from you doing this. For example, 我看到他 I see him. So if you think carefully about this sentence, the key point or what is important is him, is not see. Meanwhile, so if we use 了 after the verb, it just means that the action is completed. You have done something. So maybe that is still confusing, and one example will make it clear. I have two sentences here. One is 我听了 Taylor Swift 的 blank space. I listened to blank space by Taylor Swift. The second one is 我听到 Taylor Swift 的 blank space. I heard the blank space by Taylor Swift. So could you tell the difference? 听了 is listened to, that you did it. 听到 means heard. So I didn't do the action, but what I want to express is I heard the song. The song itself is the important part of this sentence. So the same thing happened if I say 看了. It means I watched, I looked. But when I say 看到, it means see something or saw something. So since these two are totally different, so sometimes we could use them together. For example, 昨天我看到了他. Yesterday I saw him. So 看到 means I do something and there is a result, like I see him. And 了 is for the past tense, like the action 看到 was completed yesterday. So 我看到了他. And now maybe you have another question. So how can I use them? So somehow I can understand, but I still have difficulties to use them. I totally understand because complements are not easy to learn. They don't exist in English. So my suggestion is you could learn them one by one. So when I say one by one, it means that it's better for you to learn the verb plus the complement and learn them as a whole phrase or a whole word. So 看到. So learn them together. 看到 means I see something. Or 听到. Learn 听到 as a word. 听到 means I hear. It's better for you not to learn it as, okay, verb and a 道, put them together and have process in the mind, oh, what do they mean? Don't do that, but learn them as a whole word. Okay, so that's a complement 道 for today. And if you have a question, please send us an email to support@hellochinese.cc or just send us a message through the app. You ask, we answer. See you next time.